how to play Subway Surfer game on mobile. So otherwise, in this video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, we will simply download Subway Surfer from Play Store or App Store. So once you download it, after that, we will simply click on Game. Now here we will wait for some seconds. So let's wait for some seconds. And once we wait, here you guys will see, please enter your age. So here you guys will select your age by crawling that button. So for example, my age was 22, so I will simply click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, I will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see that type of interface. Now here you guys can see on top right corner settings. Also you guys can see tap to play, simple click on tap to play. And once you click on that to play, our game will start you. Like here you guys can see instruction like how you guys can jump. Also when that sentence come, you was most like me can don't say. So that's how you guys can play Super Foot on a rank. Thanks for watching.